All right, writing equations and graphing lines. The big formula we are going to be using today is slope-intercept form. I only use this one in my day-to-day, but if you took Algebra 1 or Algebra 2, you also learned point-slope form, so you could use that equation as well. But I'm going to stick with this. Write the equation with the given slope and the point, and then graph. So if you don't recall, M is our slope. There's our slope, and then B is our y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. Right there. So here we go. I have my slope, so this is M. So y equals, instead of mx, it's 4x plus b. I don't have b though, so what you're going to do is you're going to replace the -3 for x and the 5 for y. So 5 equals 4 times -3 plus b. And then we solve for b. 5 equals -12. Add the 12 over, so b would equal 17. So our equation would be y equals 4x plus 17. Now we're going to graph. Again, you're just sketching. Don't make it too intense. So you would be up here at 17. Oh, gosh. Okay, so there's 17. You make a dot. That's your y-intercept. Oh, let's just say it, y-intercept. And then here's your slope, which is rise over run. So I rise 4 and I run 1. Hopefully the homework turns out to have prettier numbers and it's not as bad as Miss May's here. But that's the idea. I want you to show me that you know how to find the y-intercept and you know how to do a slope of rise over run. All right, another question that comes up, write the equation with the given points and then graph. Again, we're looking for y equals mx plus b. I need m and I need b. So for m, given 2 points here, you do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2, 5, minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 2 over 4, which is a half. There's our slope. So now I know it's y equals 1/2 x plus b. And we're doing just as we did up above. You can pick either point. You can call this x and that, or that x, or that y and that y. But it has to pick one point. I'm going to pick the first one, x, y. And I replace. So instead of y here, we have 3 times x plus b. And then we solve for b. So my formula is y equals 1/2 x plus 2. Make sure you have that as an answer somewhere with work. And then we graph it. This is my y-intercept. So I'm going up 2. You make a dot. And then this is my rise over run, my slope. So I'm rising 1 and I'm running 2. So up 1 over 2, and then you draw a line, linear function. Voila! That's it.